Hello everyone, welcome to Mayanklaholic. In this video, we will discuss the 2017 Delhi Higher Judicial Service paper. Before we start, it is my humble request, please subscribe to our channel Mayanklaholic and also join our Telegram channel, the link of which is provided in description section. So let's get started from question number 1. National Film Award for the Best Feature Film in 2018 was awarded to, here the correct answer is Village Rockstar. This question is related to current affairs in 2018, but for 2021 is Malayalam film Marakkar, Lion of the Arabian Sea. Now let us see the question number 2. Prime Minister of Nepal is. The options are Khagada Prasad Oli, Pushpa Kamal Dahal, Bisheshwar Prasad Koirala, and 4. Sushil Koirala. In 2018, at that time, KP Oli was the Prime Minister of Nepal, but right now, Sher Bahadur Deuba is the PM of Nepal at present in 2021. Now let us see the question number 3. Kaveri originates in. The correct answer is Karnataka. Kaveri is the very important river which originates from Karnataka. In question number 4, in April 2018, the leaders of North and South Korea, Kim Jong-un and Moon Jae-in, held the meeting in. Options are Panjim, Wonsan, Hamburg and Kaesong. The correct answer is Panjim. In April 2018, leaders of North and South Korea met in Panjim. Now let us see the question number 5. Which former Malaysian Prime Minister was recently barred from leaving Malaysia? Here the correct answer is Najib Razak. Najib Razak was the Prime Minister of Malaysia who was barred from leaving Malaysia. Now let us see the question number 6. Which one of the following will soon come out with the development agenda for a new India by 2022? First, SEBI, second, Niti Aayog, third, Reserve Bank of India and fourth, NABARD. Here the correct answer is second, Niti Aayog. Present Lok Sabha is the 13th Lok Sabha, 14th Lok Sabha, 15th Lok Sabha or 16th Lok Sabha. Here the correct answer is 16th Lok Sabha. Present Lok Sabha is 16th Lok Sabha. Question number 8. New York's Attorney General who resigned in 2018 after allegation of sexual abuse against him. Eric Schneiderman, Jeff Sessions, Harvey Weinstein and Alberto R. Gonzalez. Correct answer is Eric Schneiderman. Question number 9. The precautionary principle relates to. Options are motor accident claims, second, criminal law, third, environment law, fourth, copyright law. Here the correct answer is environment law. Precautionary principle means if there is a risk of severe damage to humans and environment in absence of incontrovertible conclusive or definite conclusives, precautionary principles enables decisions makes to adapt precautionary measures when scientific evidence about an environment or human health hazard is uncertain and the stakes are high. In how many languages is the denomination written on the Indian currency note? Options are 10, 9, 17 and 12. Correct answer is 17, including English and Hindi. In total 17 languages, the denomination written on the Indian currency note. Now let us see the question number 11. In 1885, first session of Indian National Congress was held in. Options are Ahmedabad, Calcutta, now named Kolkata, Bombay, now named Mumbai and fourth, Delhi. Here the correct answer is Bombay, now named Mumbai. On 28 December 1885, in Bombay, Gokul Das Tejpal Sanskrit College with 72 delegates, the first session of Indian National Congress was held. Now let us see the question number 12. Which among the following was the brain behind the Chittagaon Armory raid in 1930? Options are Lala Hardayal, Subhash Chandra Bose, Surya Sen and Chandrasekhar Azad. Here the correct answer is Surya Sen. Revolutionary Surya Sen was commonly known as Master Da. There is one movie of Abhishek Bachchan which was based after the Chittagaon Armory raid in 1930, which was related to the revolutionary Surya Sen. Now let us see the question number 16. Which supersonic cruise missile did India successfully test fire at Pokhran in March 2018? Options are Shaurya, second BrahMos, third Agni and fourth K4. The correct answer is BrahMos. Now let us see the question number 14. Which of the following is not a member of the Association of Southeast Asian Nation, ASEAN? Options are Myanmar, Sri Lanka, Singapore, Brunei. Here the question is asked which of the following is not a member of the ASEAN. So correct answer is Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka is not the member of ASEAN. ASEAN is known as the Association of Southeast Asian Nations. Total 10 members are in ASEAN. ASEAN was founded on 8th August 1967 at Bangkok, Thailand. 10 member nations I have already said. Members are Brunei, Cambodia, Indonesia, Laos, Malaysia, Myanmar, Philippines, Singapore, Thailand and Vietnam. In 1992, India became sectoral dialogue partner. In 1995, India became full dialogue partner. In 1996, India became member of ASEAN Regional Forum. For India, related to Act East policy, ASEAN is very important. ASEAN is very important organization because India want to have a comprehensive dialogue for trade and other benefits, and the policy of foreign policy of India related to Act East policy is very much comprehensively depend upon the ASEAN countries. Now let us see the question number 15. What is the present sanctioned strength of judges including Chief Justice in the Supreme Court of India? Options are 31, 33, 35 and 37. Here the correct at that particular time in 2017 the correct answer was 31, but right now the correct answer will be 33, because at right now in 2022 the correct strength of sanctioned strength of judges including Chief Justice of India, Supreme Court of India, the sanctioned strength total judges are 33 judges. Now let us see the question number 16. The International Day of Person with Disabilities is celebrated on 1st 3rd December, 2nd 8th March, 3rd 13th November, 4th 1st June. Here the correct answer is 2nd 8th March. On 8th March, International Day of Person with Disabilities is celebrated. Question number 17. Usury laws are statutes that prohibit wagering, statutes that prohibit finance charges above a certain level of debt, statutes that prohibit illegal use of land, statutes that prohibit illegal use of public money. In this question, the correct answer is second, statutes that prohibit finance charges above certain level of debt. Now let us see the question number 18. Match the two columns. Option 1, Neeru Chadda. Option B, C.B. Muthamma. Option C, Sarojini Naidu. And option D, Vijayalakshmi Pandit. Here the correct answer is option A, Neeru Chadda, Judge International Tribunal for the Law of Sea. C.B. Muthamma. Here the correct answer will be first female to join the Indian Foreign Service. Sarojini Naidu became the first governor of an Indian state. Vijayalakshmi Pandit, President UN General Assembly. Egglet means metal or plastic tube fixed tightly round each end of shoelace, ankle support, baby bird, the blunt edge of knife. Here the correct answer is metal or plastic tube fixed tightly round each end of shoelace. Question number 20. The word which is wrongly used in sentence is known as, correct answer is malapropism. Philtrum means the vertical groove between the base of the nose and the border of the upper lip. Question number 22. The wages of sin is death. 5,000 rupees is not a bad salary. The two sentences above can be correctly written as. In this question, the correct answer is option first, with no change. They are already correctly written. Now let us see the question number 23. The war caused both death and destruction and generations of hatred between the two communities. Without changing the meaning, the above sentence can be transformed as option 1. The war had caused both death and destruction as there was generations of hatred between the two communities. The war would have caused death, destruction and generations of hatred between the two communities. Option 3. The war would not only cause both death and destruction but also generations of hatred between the two communities. Option 4. The war was the cause of death, destruction and generations of hatred between the two communities. In the given option, the correct answer will be option number 3. The war not only caused both death and destruction but also generations of hatred between the two communities. Now let us see the question number 24. They sat dash him dash being fined they were imprisoned. Her answer is dash the point. The correct prepositions to be filled in the above sentences in order are. Options are beside, besides, beside. Second option beside, besides, besides. Third option besides, beside, besides. And fourth option beside, beside and besides. In this question the correct answer is option number 2. They sat beside him besides being fined they were imprisoned. Her answer is besides the point. This is the correct answer. Now let us see the question number 25. Science has lost its capacity to enlighten ordinary citizens as it has become so intricate and esoteric that only the masters of specialisms within scientific disciplines can follow selected pathways through science knowledge mazes. Which of the following best expresses the essence of the above sentence? Option 1. Science is a subject difficult to understand. Specializations in science have made it abstruse. Science is full of knowledge mazes. Specialization in science have made it unfathomable for the common people. Here the correct answer in this question is option number 4. Specialization in science have made it unfathomable for common people.